In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up QuickBooks Online data using a laptop browser. Even though your accounting data is stored securely in the cloud, exporting key reports gives you a dependable snapshot you can store offline or in your own cloud drive. It's simple, it's fast, and it creates a clear paper trail whenever you need it. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account on your laptop. For the smoothest experience, use an up-to-date browser and a stable internet connection. If you manage more than one company, confirm you're in the correct company file before proceeding, so your exports reflect the right books. Once you're in, head to the left navigation menu and click Reports. This is your hub for financial snapshots. You can scroll through the standard reports or use the search bar to find what you need. For a solid backup set, open Profit and Loss, Balance Sheet, and General Ledger. Before exporting, review the report period at the top and set the date range you want, such as last month, last quarter, or year to date. This ensures your files match the time frame you intend to archive. At the top of each open report, click Export. You'll see options to export to Excel or export to PDF. Choose PDF if you want a read-only file that preserves the layout for sharing or quick reference. Pick Excel if you plan to analyze, filter, or combine data later. If your general ledger is large, Excel is especially helpful because it's easier to navigate and search. When your download begins, save the file to your computer or directly to your preferred cloud storage. Create a dedicated backup folder and use a clear naming convention, like company name, report name, date range. For example, ABCCO, Profit and Loss 2025 Q1, PDF. Consistent names make it much easier to find and compare files over time. After saving, quickly open the file to confirm it exported correctly and that the date range looks right. Repeat the same export process for other reports or lists you want to preserve. Many teams like to keep copies of customers, vendors, and the chart of accounts. Open each list in QuickBooks Online, use the available export option, and save it with the same organized naming approach. Keeping both financial reports and key lists together provides a fuller picture of your records. That's all you need to create a reliable backup set from QuickBooks Online using your laptop browser. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.